So today, I know you might be wondering why I put up on my Odogu's regalia. Well, the answer is not far-fetched. That is because I'm about to show you how you too can become an Odogu just like me. Well, don't take my words for it, because I will show you some proof of myself making some good figures as an Odogu, if you know what I mean. So today is the 12th day of the month, and if you guys take a look at this account that is on my screen, you guys can see that I've printed a lot of figures just this month. So I'm going to refresh the screen so that you guys will not assume that this is some fake screenshots. Okay, so let me refresh it. Good. So you can see that this month we've printed $8,640. In the last 28 days, $9,000. 7 days, $7,000. Yesterday, $1,200. Well, just today, and the time is just 9 a.m., we printed $200. Even with the poor CPC, we are still printing money. Okay, so this is not a short video, and don't mind my whole Odogu thing and what I'm saying. I mean, this video I want to show you guys how you can print money like this, but a quick disclaimer, this is not a get quick rich kind of thing. This is actually a work that requires due diligence before you can achieve these figures. I mean, that is why Odogu is here to help you become an Odogu. Alright, with that being said, if you are new to the channel, please consider dropping a like, and also please consider subscribing to this channel. And if you are not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram at DonTinTV, because I'll start dropping content there as well. With that being said, please, let's dive deep into this video. Okay guys, to start with, what is blogging? So I'm going to give you guys a layman definition of what a blog is. So a blog is an informal website published on the World Wide Web consisting of discrete, often informal diary-style text entries. Okay, these are just English. Okay, so a blog is more like a marketplace where you publish articles and then people come to the site to consume your articles. Now just let's assume your blog is a market, like I said, and you have your products there, which is your articles, your contents, your published video, photos, or anything at all that you have on your site. Okay, now when people come to your market, okay, they are most likely going to buy your market, which is your articles, but then you need to meet some certain requirements before you start selling those articles to your users. Okay, so that requirement is what will get you approved into Google AdSense, because what I just showed you guys at the beginning of this video is called Google AdSense. Okay, so once you meet that requirement, Google will start displaying ads on your site, just like the sites on my screen right now. Okay, so if you take a look here, okay, you can see an ad showing here. This thing down here is called an ad. That's advert. Okay, it's Google that displays this on your site. So this is more like the thing that you actually sell to your user. Okay, you can see the one that is also inside the article itself. Okay, these are ads that displays to users. Okay, and once they do, okay, Google is going to pay you a certain percentage for this thing that are showing on your site. And once people click on these ads that are showing on your site, Google is going to give you a little percentage of what the advertisers are paying to show this on your site. Okay, this is quite simple, or it might seem quite simple, but I mean, it takes some work before you get approved into Google AdSense. So I'm going to list some requirements that will help you to get approved into Google AdSense. Okay, for me, I normally recommend that you have up to 40 articles. When I say 40 articles, 40 well-written, unique articles. Okay, don't go and copy people's article and all that. But before that, you need to have your website running, and I have a video on how you can actually create a good standard WordPress website and also a Blogger website from start to finish. Okay, I'm going to either recommend this video here or maybe put it down there in the description of this video. Okay, so make sure you watch it from beginning to the end so that you know how to create a standard website just like the one you're seeing on my screen. Okay, so after creating it to standard, okay, there are some important pages that you need to have on your site. One of them is your terms and conditions page, your disclaimer page, your about us page, your contact us page, your privacy policy. Okay, the three major ones are the privacy policy, the contact us page, and the about us page. So I just included the disclaimer page and the terms and conditions page. So all these also help you to get approved faster. Okay, these are the things that Google bot checks on your site to know if they are available on your site before you will qualify to show ads on your site. Now, the main criteria, like the major criteria for you to get approved is your article. That's your content. Okay, are they unique? Are they important? Are they valuable? Are people going to find value in it? Okay, are they copyrighted articles or content or whatever? Okay, these are things that Google will check out on your site before they will approve your site for AdSense. Okay, so if you go and copy people's articles and put on your site, Google is not going to approve you. Okay, so you need to generate good articles. Okay, there are ways you can actually do this quite simple. You can use ChatGPT to achieve this. Okay, but I would recommend you use you write everything by yourself. But meanwhile, ChatGPT can give you unique articles. Just give it a command to give you probably like 2,000 words article on a particular niche, and it's gonna do that for you. Okay, but in a simpler way, tell ChatGPT to give you like probably 40 topics on a particular niche that you know you can cover over time. So it will give you some well-written title now, right? So individually, you can tell ChatGPT to give you maybe a 1,000 words article on the first topic, same thing for the second topic, just like that. You can do it into 40 places. Okay, that will give you 40 articles, well-written articles. Then you can use pixel.com. In case you don't know what ChatGPT is, go to OpenAI. Okay, is it OpenAI? Register and then use ChatGPT to generate your articles. Now, once you're done generating the articles, this is it. Once you're done generating the articles, you can use Pixels. Okay, pixels.com. Pixels.com is a site that gives you free images, okay, stock photos that are not copyrighted. That's copyright-free images, and they are of good quality. Okay, so this is what Google likes. So any niche that you're covering, you can come here, just search for the niche. Probably, let's say, maybe your stuff is about school. Okay, you can just type school here. Okay, so once you type school here, it's gonna give you photos of probably students, school, and the rest of them. Just download them. They are of good quality. Download them and then use it for your post. So once you're able to accumulate up to 40 posts, probably 50, keep on posting. Like Google loves articles, because if you don't have articles on your site, what are users going to consume on your site? Where are the advertisers going to display ads on your site? So these are things that Google check out before they approve your site to start showing AdSense. Okay. So another thing you need to also work on is getting traffic. Okay. Google wouldn't like to show ads on your site if people are not coming in. I mean, why would they be showing ads on your site when people are not coming in? Because they're not going to make money, and when you make money, Google to make money. So Google gives you a certain percentage of the advertisers' money, like I said, and they take some percentage, but you take the higher one and then they take the lesser. Of course, that's what they told us. All right, so you have to work on people coming into your site, probably not in their numbers, but I mean, in their 10, 20, or any amount you can do over a period of time before you apply for AdSense. Okay, so I know you might be wondering, how can you achieve that? Of course, you have WhatsApp groups, you have your WhatsApp stations, you have your Telegram, you have your Facebook out there. Like, you can share your content to everybody, share it anywhere you can, as much places as possible. Okay, make sure you get to people and just have people coming into your site often and on as you drop your articles. Just keep doing it over time. You can do exactly this thing I just said. Okay, I'm not giving you 100% guarantee that Google will approve you, though, but I'm giving you like 80% guarantee that Google will approve you without you doing everything outside what I've just said. Okay, do exactly what I just said. You have 80% chance of getting approved into Google AdSense. Okay, run your articles up to 40 and above, like in fact 50 and above. Then work on your pages, make sure they are well written. You can even use ChatGPT to generate content for your pages. Then work on people coming into your site, put your images from pixels, and you are good to apply. Okay, so that is how to actually get approved on Google AdSense. I know these things might seem simple the way I said it, but trust me, it's not quite simple. Okay, it requires some due diligence and technicality, and that is why I'm here to actually guide you on how to do this. Funny enough, a lot of people don't really know this, like vlogging and how you can actually make money from it. A lot of people actually don't really know that this is lucrative. Imagine printing $8,000 and the month has not even gone half. And sometimes these figures get crazy. I'm a student, and I don't really like showing these figures because it might seem like I'm showing it off. Okay, but no, I'm trying to motivate and also help you achieve the same thing that I'm doing. All right, so I don't really want this video to be long. I just wanted to make it brief, okay, so that you guys can see what is possible. And in case you need a one-on-one mentorship, okay, on how you can, probably you started blogging already, just that you're not getting good traffic to generate to good revenue, just like mine. I have a one-on-one mentorship where I can guide you on how to do that. Okay, you just have to message me on Instagram or my WhatsApp. My number is going to be down there in the description of this video. Please don't call me, and I want to talk with you, okay? And with that being said, I think I have to end this video right here. And in case you're new, consider liking, consider subscribing, follow me on Instagram at DonTinTV. All right? With that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and peace out.